Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
7 common phrasal verbs with beat. Like and subscribe to the channel. Beat up. Meaning, to physically attack someone and injure them. Example, the gang threatened to beat him up if he didn't hand over his wallet. Beat down. Meanings, to make someone feel defeated or demoralized, or to refer to strong, intense sunshine or rain. Examples, the harsh criticism really beat her down. The sun beat down on us during the long hike. Beat out. Meaning, to defeat someone or something. In competition. Example, the underdog team managed to beat out the reigning champions. Beat through. Meaning, to fight off or repel an attack or attacker. Example, the rescue team beat through the dense jungle to reach the trapped hikers. Beat up on. Meaning, to unfairly criticize or treat someone harshly. Example, don't beat up on yourself for making a mistake. Beat back. Meaning, to force someone or something to retreat. Example, the firefighters worked hard to beat back the flames. Beat out of. Meaning, to force or trick someone into giving something, often money. Example, the scammer tried to beat him out of his savings. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.